Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with John Hancock for life insurance registration steps step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with John Hancock for life insurance, visit their official website. Locate the Get a Quote button on the homepage. Click on that button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to choose the type of life insurance you are interested in. Select between term life, permanent life, or any other options that suit your needs. After selecting, fill in the necessary personal information in the provided form. This will include your name, date of birth, gender, and contact details. Review the information for accuracy before proceeding. Next, you will need to answer a series of health-related questions. These questions help determine your eligibility and premium rates. Once you complete that, click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be asked to provide additional information regarding your lifestyle and habits. Be sure to answer these questions honestly to avoid issues later. After submitting the health questionnaire, you will receive an estimate for your policy. If you agree with the proposed terms, you can proceed to the application stage. Fill out any remaining sections of the application, including beneficiaries and payment options. Select your preferred payment method for the premiums. Review your entire application to ensure all the details are correct. Once satisfied, submit your application for processing. You should receive a confirmation of your submission via email shortly after. Wait for further communication from John Hancock regarding next steps in the underwriting process. This may include scheduling a medical exam if necessary. Once your application is approved, you will receive your policy details. You can then review your policy and understand coverage options fully. At this point, you are officially registered with John Hancock for life insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.